guide niyo po, driver natin si Kuya Moy. So for now, tour natin will take 45 minutes, 1 hour. Tapos may tatlong stopover tayo for picture. Each stopover may 5 minutes tayo para makapag-picture.
Oh, buti sinabi mo, 30 minutes na lang ang aking load.
So, habang umaandar pa tayo na.
Okay, so on your left side, you're going with the huts. That's the fishing area. Where you can catch fish there, tilapia and ito. Fishing rods and baits are provided inside, so pwede kayo pumasok para mag-picture. Pero once manghuli na kayo ng isda, that's considered sold. So you have to pay for it na.
How much per day?
400 ang kilo po. Philippine deer left side. It's considered endangered area. That's why pinaparami dito. Usa sa Tagalog, binaw sa Bisaya. Deer. Yan, far right, Vista Khadija, suite for 2 persons. So perfect siya for lovers and honeymooners. For 9, 4,000 plus